Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Khalif Lawrence laid to rest. Dancehall artist Aidonia and his wife Kimberly laid their son to rest over the weekend. The funeral service, which was held at the Boulevard Baptist Church on Saturday, was filled with family members, friends, and several figures in the music fraternity, including Wayne Marshall, Javinci, and Bone Tequila. Wayne and Javinci both paid their respects with a touching performance. Khalif died in hospital after a 3-year battle with cancer last month. He reportedly took his last breath in his parents' arms. Aidonia and his wife Kimberly made their first public appearance since the passing of their son on New Year's Day at the Sands Cabin Music Festival, where Aidonia performed and hailed his wife for being a strong woman. 9-year-old Khalif was the only child for the couple. Fame Frequency's live party has come to an end. Saturday nights won't be the same after the final staging of Fame Frequency themed Last held over the weekend. The show began with 3 of its hosts dressed in all white, giving a rundown of what was to come for the night. For nearly 3 years, the show, supported by its Zoomers, Instagram family, Mixcloud family, and the Twitter peeps, entertained Jamaicans at home and abroad during the COVID-19 pandemic. Some of Fame Frequency's most dedicated fans came out and showed up for the live party held right here at Broadcast House. The venue was packed with fans, artists, dancers, and many others. Kintaj was one of the night's favorite. He brought the right kind of vibe and mixes to the Zoomers and the Mixcloud family. While our DJs kept the night blazing, DJ Genesee was the night's top. Our very own Deputy CEO, Dr. Claire Grant, took to the turntables and kept the crowd on their feet with her mixes from different genres. Fame Frequency wouldn't be the same without the talented dancers and consistent supporters, so the show's coordinator ensured that the most consistent supporters were recognized and appreciated by gifting them awards. Sparta was awarded for most consistent dancer, Brickwork Girls, most consistent Zoom group, Passage Queen, most consistent female Zoomer, Passage King, most consistent male Zoomer, and Judith was awarded most loyal Zoomer. The show started back in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic, when the world was forced to stay inside. American rapper Quavo has released a new song in honor of his late nephew and fellow Migos rapper Takeoff. Without You pays a tribute to Takeoff, who was shot and killed in Houston, Texas in November at age 28. The lyrics speak to Quavo's grief for his loved one and collaborator. The pair had been working together when Takeoff was killed outside a private party. Takeoff and Quavo had only recently formed the duo Unconfused and released their debut album Only Built for Infinity Links, along with their cousin Offset. The two had been members of the platinum-selling rap trio Migos and released their final studio album Culture 3 in 2021. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.